Hey guys, so really important and really valuable video in my opinion. First of all, here you can see Dave Portnoy. He has been the creator of the latest meme coins. He's creating meme coin almost every day. I think this is the last 48 hours that he hasn't actually created, but I will show you how you can track his wallet and how you can track his account effectively. First of all, if you want to track his wallet, which is free, you have to go on BullX. First of all, this is invite only, but this is worth it. And I have my invite in the description and in the comment section if you want to start using it. And how you can track him is easily. First of all, you will see this. You basically ignore this because you don't need this to track wallets. You basically go on this right here on this side bar and you will see wallet tracker. You go on wallet tracker. Here you can see you can add up to 300 wallets that you can track. And now what you want to do is go on callscan.io. Here you will see, let's refresh it. Here you will see basically the biggest meme coin traders. Here you can see 8 seconds ago, 25 seconds ago, they are actively trading, buying, selling meme coins, and you can track all of these people. Now how you can track their Portnoy? This website gives you many huge influencers, and also when you write Dave, you will see Dave Portnoy. This is his main wallet where he's holding the most of the jail stool as well. So you basically copy here, just click on here and you will automatically copy the Solana address. You go on BullX, add wallet. Let's name it Dave, enter wallet address and add wallet. Right here you can see all the latest transactions in this sidebar. Basically last transaction was 2 days ago, and this is the main wallet. He has obviously many basically secret wallets, and here you can see basically he's for example holding greed, only only 85 cents of greed he already sold. Here you can see he bought 17,000 worth and sold 283,000 worth of greed. Greed 2, similar, bought 1.69k, sold. He has remaining 27k, so he is still able to sell it. Now the biggest holdings for him is Jailstool. He is remaining 500,000. He invested 779,000, sold already 123, so he's basically in losses if he sells everything. And yeah, you can basically see other meme coins that he's holding. These are really small amounts, but overall this is a great tool because you can also here you can set alerts. So when you push this, now you will hear the sound notifications when he does some transaction, and it will show here also on Monitor Square. Now if you want to track his account effectively, you can just go for example next and refresh, which is slow type of tracking. What you can do, and this is basically on premium, so if you want to do this you have to buy premium, which is around $9 a month. Now you go on premium, you will see this X Pro. What this means is really huge. This is alpha, not many people are using it, but if you use this you are ahead of 99.9% of people in crypto. This is great because you can create your own list. For example, you can create a people that are in meme coins that you like. I have my main crypto list, masters, daily news, basically accounts that are posting daily news. I have also Solana influencers, and here is the alpha. You can create Dave list. I have my Dave Portnoy, so this is only showing me Dave Portnoy's tweets, and this is Kanye West's list. And what is the best part about this is that it updates automatically. Here you just saw this updated. He posted something 2 seconds ago and it all basically updated automatically. You don't have to scroll, you don't have to refresh. And the best part is that 99.9% of people are just scrolling on X on Twitter and they are stumbling upon something that is alpha, or they are basically finding some contract address posted by celebrity, for example 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. But here you will see second by second if they post a website to pre-sale or just contract address. You will see a few basically right when they post. So this is alpha. This costs only $9 a month. There are, of course, many Discord trackers, which may be faster, but this is the safest one because you understand that this Twitter, the X, will not crash or just lag. This will basically show you in real time. And that's what I'm doing. Here you can see how Kanye West list, because there is a rumors that he will be creating his own meme coin. Dave is creating almost daily something, so he basically posted Noodle. If you go on BullX and you search, for example, Noodle, you will already see there are, for example, here you can see there are Noodles, Noodle, Noodle with his face. What is the market cap? $149,000 of market cap. So someone already created when it was when he posted it. So every time he or Elon Musk posts some weird memeable name or sentence, you understand that there will be many meme coins created. That's why, yeah, this is a great way. Basically, X Pro. Of course, you need a premium, but only $8 a month. And wallet tracker is free. You just need to go on this application. And invite link is again in the description and in the comment section for you to start using. Also, if you are using this platform, you are qualifying for an extra airdrop, which means that the more volume you have, the bigger airdrop you have. Even if you refer friends, you will get a bigger airdrop. So these two things as well makes me bullish on this application. Now, the best part and why I am using this more than I'm using Phantom Wallet or exchanges is this. For example, you want to buy, and I have like 0.5 Solana. How you can buy is easy, just right here, and you will be able to buy. Now, the alpha is this. You can set your own custom priority fees, your buy bribe, which means that, for example, many people know that Solana can get congested when there are hundreds of thousands of people buying, which happened when Trump coin was announced and Melania coin was announced as well. And what happens is thousands of people want to buy. Their transactions cannot get through, they get failed. And what happens is you spend minutes, you spend so much time just to trying to approve and swap your coins that you want to buy. And this is the part where this comes in as a lifesaver, is that you can set your own fees. You can set higher. You can even set one Solana fee, which I don't recommend because you don't need it. Only when there are thousands of people buying something, only then you need to push these priority fees higher. But what happens is, for example, someone is buying with Phantom on Radium or Jupiter. He basically has to go on Jupiter, and luckily, if Jupiter is not crashing, he can basically enter the contract address. Then he has to approve the token. He has to sign the transaction to swap, and it may get so congested that you have failed transactions for many minutes, as I already said. And that's why, for example, if there are 100,000 people buying, and you are buying on BullX, you set your fees, for example, 0.01, which is already really, really high. You will get to buy the token first before hundreds of thousands of people, and which means that you will buy, and only after you, there will be many people buying, with thousands investing millions of dollars in the specific crypto. And imagine when crypto bull run gets bigger and bigger, which I think it will do in 2025, because we haven't yet experienced the true crypto euphoria. And there will be people every day posting new contract addresses, celebrities, huge celebrities, small celebrities. And here, these two tools, these lists, and this wallet tracker, also this you can set your own fees. These tools will come in handy because you will be able to buy before hundreds of thousands of people, and that's insane to me. Many people don't know about this, and even if people are watching this video, 99% of people will not use this. But again, if we get to a crazy bull run, and I think Solana will be one of the, I think Solana will be still the biggest meme coin chain, and still celebrities will be using this to create their own coins, meme coins. There will be so much opportunities, and if you use tools like BullX, you will win most of the times. Right now it's much harder because we are in a quite stagnation in crypto. That's why right now it doesn't make sense to buy fast unless you are you want to be a professional meme coin trader like Capsi or Orangey. They are basically sniping few seconds in, few seconds out, and that's it. They are making few $1,000s a day. But if you look actually on CallScan, here you can see Capsi was actually selling a few seconds ago. Let's go to the leaderboard. Here you can see all the biggest gainers, all the people that have made the much money. Here you can see West. Someone you can also check on their X platform who it is. See if he's legit, if he's pumping and dumping. He has made $68,000 a day just by buying, trading meme coins. That's why I'm always telling you, you can make money if you do your research and use great tools like BullX. You can see monthly Frank has made $1.6 million. Capsi is usually in these leaderboards because he's like one of the best traders out there. Also Orangey, but right now the wallet, I think he is not using his wallet anymore. But this is a great tool. For example, if people like celebrities like Kanye West or Iggy Azalea start actively trading, people will catch on, and you will see their their wallet addresses here. You will be able to copy, track their wallets and buy before they actually post on Twitter or X. If you want to start using BullX, you have to go on Wallet Manager. I have 0.5 Solana. If you want to add funds, you do it here, add funds, copy your wallet address. This is your wallet address that you will have here. And this is basically where you send Solana. If you have Solana on Phantom or Coinbase or Binance, doesn't matter. You send it here. And that's how you fund your wallet. You can create different withdrawal wallets. You can create multiple wallets so people cannot track you if you are a huge celebrity or something like that. Again, if you're using this, you are ahead of 99.9% of people. Also with this X Pro. And yeah, you are also qualifying for an airdrop just by using. You can even not be trading meme coins or doing everything that I say. You can just be buying and selling regular crypto for long term, and you are qualifying for an airdrop. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.